I want you to take a look at this motorcycle club. Nobody had their engines on. They were all here very quiet, peacefully, talking amongst each other on a side street, a back street, and the police come and tell them to leave. That's how Japanese police are. I can understand if they were being noisy, but they were not. These stupid police, they don't worry about the Olympics coming in virus, but they worry about these guys. It really angers me, period. I hate them. So now all these guys have got their engines on because they have to leave, but it was just a peaceful, they were just sitting here talking like in groups of two maybe. It's just so stupid. See, so the police hang around until they leave. What a bunch of chickens, this stupid police. But yet they let all these people in with the virus and they don't worry about that. So they're all leaving peacefully. They were here peacefully. I just can't believe what I'm seeing. Here they come.